If you want to see how I slayed this beautiful wig from Arabella hair, then stay tuned. Come on out. It's your favorite bald head, small head. As you can see, I didn't even braid my hair back, honey. I was so mad I had to do my own hair. Girl, please. Lamborghini keys. Anyway, let's get into the video, y'all. Yeah, as you can see, these sharp behind shark tail fingernails was putting all type of holes in my cap. But girl, I made it through. Okay. Let's just don't worry about it. Don't be in my business. Anyway, I turned it to the back. So I put the holes in the back. Okay. Like, argue with y'all mama. Anyway, I'm gonna take these scissors that barely cut and cut my ears out. And as you can see, I'm gonna drench my forehead in the Gots to Be. Spray a little roach spray up there and it's gonna do right. Cause baby, let me tell you something. I'm telling you in this video right now, baby. You see how I froze up? Baby, you sprayed on roaches with that spray. They gon' gas to be froze, honey. Gas to be. Anyway, let's get into cutting this cap off. And yeah, y'all better be glad because I barely, when I do my own hair, I don't even use a cap, honey. I just be like, let me be free. Okay, release me from the shackles of the caps. But I'm going to do it for y'all. And as y'all see, I did put some of the cap behind my hairline because I wanted this wig kind of really, really close instead of all on my forehead. But she probably going to end up on my forehead anyway. But I put the makeup up there on top of the cap after she was dry. And I cut the stuff off. And y'all see I'm using my hairstylist, her glue. And you could purchase this at her shop or from her site. I love this glue. It works very well. I just try to use what she already be using on my hair when she does my hair. So, yeah. And don't ask me what I'm talking about in this video because, girl, I don't know. I'm probably telling y'all all my business. So, thank God it's a voiceover, honey, because this video was mad long, okay? And I probably was telling y'all my business. Matter of fact, I know I was. But anyway, as you can see, this Arabella, is that how you say their name? Arabella? Anyway, this wig is bomb. And as you can see, I sprayed it with some lace tints. And as you can see, the hairline, yes, honey, wig was wigging. And I let that wig air dry, baby. And I did like one pass with my flat iron through the hair. And right here, I'm just putting another layer of glue on there. So I did 2 layers of glue on my head, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 2. Because I wanted to stick on my head. Okay. So as you can see, I'm just laying down another layer on there. And when that dried, I'm going to cut the back of my kizzy cap that's barely hanging on anyway. And right here, I was talking about how people be wearing their wig all the way down on their nose. And then y'all ask about the friend. And y'all be like, how she let her friend go out like that? Baby, we seen it and we told them about it. And they ain't want to do nothing. Mind your business. Okay, anyway, y'all see the band, baby. These wigs starting to come with the band, the strap, all type of stuff. So you can wear this as a glueless wig if you want to because it has the band. Okay, right here, I put the wig on and now I'm just pressing the wig and the lace into the glue, honey, so she could be secure. Okay, and now I'm going to put a little more that gots to be, baby, because it gots to be on the hairline, honey. So I'm just doing that before I tie my hair up. You know, I haven't had to put a wig on my head myself in a while. So yeah, this is my second time this month putting on a wig by myself. But child, yeah, I made it through. So after I do that, y'all, I'm gonna pull my hair back and I'm gonna use their the band that it comes with. Yes. Arabella. Oh, okay. I said that all wrong. I said their name all wrong. Arabella wig. I say Arabella, excuse me, but all their information will be down below. But y'all, these little things come in handy, honey. I just took one of them to my hairstylist, honey, because she go through them. But I really do like that they do that. And as you can see, giving scapuolage. Yeah, baby. When I took that band off, yes. Y'all, I did not pluck this wig. I did not do nothing to this wig. It's just, I just, let it come how it come. And baby girl had a little widow's peak in the front. Why didn't I cut that off? I left her there though, because I'm doing a side part, and y'all know I love a side part. Now right here, I tried to do the little piece that they be doing. You know how they have a little piece of baby hair in the front, like how it kind of go out. I wanted that, y'all. Okay, I don't know why, but I wanted that for myself. Okay, but anyway, I'm done with that side of the baby hairs. I didn't even want like a lot of baby hairs. I just wanted, that little swoop part right there and one at the bottom. Okay. But anyway, y'all. So now I'm getting into putting my little side bang. Okay. I'm not a side thing, but I love a little side bang. Side piece to no one, baby. I'm always number one. Argue with y'all mamas and maybe y'all daddies if they in your life. But yeah. Mine wasn't grown up, but now he is now. Okay, thanks. Anyway, back to the wig, y'all. Y'all know I get sidetracked. But y'all, this wig, honey, do you see how she just laying to the side? Baby, yes, honey. I took that hot comb and a little gots to be. Y'all see how easy this was? Even though I talked y'all head off. Y'all, this wig, I would get this wig again in a shorter length. Like, baby, I want to get this reinstalled, but I want them to send me a shorter one, baby. Like, I know a shorter one is, this wig don't cost that much, so I know a shorter one ain't gonna cost that much. But y'all, I really love this wig. Like, the little streaks, it gave what it gave. Yes, honey. Oh my goodness. Y'all. Yes. Don't owe me nothing, girl. I'm gonna put all the inches and stuff in the yeah. Look at that. And y'all, I only did one pass when I was doing her. Yes, it's giving exactly what I need her to give, honey. Oh. Anyway, y'all, I'm standing up so y'all could see, and she goes all the way like to the middle of my butt, and I'm like 5'4", 5'5", brown eyes, thick thighs, both legged. Anyway, ooh, okay, yeah, argue with your mammies, y'all. Yeah.